Hi, Papa Gear here. I'm going to show you how to install a center console cover lid for a C6 Corvette. Okay, go to the center console lid, open it up, and you'll see 4 torque screws that need to be removed off the hinge. Once that is removed, you can move on to removing the 7 torque screws from the inside cover lid. Removing the inside cover lid, you'll expose the material and how it is attached to the outer plastic cover lid. As you can see, there's several staples all the way around the edges. You'll need to remove all these staples to remove the leather, or in this case vinyl, cover. You can simply remove this with a flathead screwdriver, or you could actually use other methods. The staple here is very shallow. The depth of it is probably less than 1/4 of an inch. This plastic hard piece cover that it has to staple into is very hard material. My electric staple gun was not able to perform the job. I could not get the staples in there. So I actually ended up having to take it to a upholstery shop instead of buying a higher end tool, a pneumatic stapler, to do the job. But I'll go through exactly kind of the process that they did, and I believe it took them around an hour. This is the vinyl piece up against the leather, and you can tell it's a lot better quality, of course, with the leather, but you can tell the thickness as well. So this top material piece, you want to lay it over your cover that has a padding. The padding just comes off the top. It's just kind of laid on there. Take your material and line up the stitching into that corner. Lay it over that edge. And this is going to involve a lot of stretching and pulling on the material to make sure that it's straight and gives a good, clean, smooth appearance. See, this is what came back from the upholstery shop with the staple gun. They did a very nice job for me. It was less than what a stapler gun would cost to get it done. If you don't want to have another tool around, then I would suggest that you go this route. Now the plastic inside piece just slips back in there, and you'll put in the 7 torque screws. Once back in the car, you can just tighten up the 4 torque screws. And here is the product attached and closed. So you take a look at that. It looks real nice. It's coming together. At this point, I've got the three pieces: the e-brake boot, the shifter boot, and the console lid all